We just got word. JPL Deep Space Net is picking up 6 unidentified objects heading towards Earth at near relativistic speeds.
It looks like they're going to try and enter our orbit. Do we know where they're from?
It's unclear. We started tracking them in the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune. Thanks.
What is it, Sandra?
The ion cannon's been engaged, sir.
On whose authority?
Director Boyle. Here it is, sir, on Sat 3.
(1537) Eastern Standard Time, 39 alien spacecraft crashed into red zones on every continent. While the source and purpose of these aircraft remains unknown, there's no mystery about their intentions.
Commander, what I'm about to tell you is highly classified information. In 2028, GDI confiscated a very sophisticated data matrix from Nod. It's clearly not of this Earth. They call it the Tacitus.
We've been decrypting it here at INOPS. And all we know for certain is that the data contained a warning about a future alien invasion.
The connection between the liquid Tiberium explosion and this invasion seems, well, beyond coincidence.
Whatever the connection, it's not just blue zones bearing the brunt. Several prominent yellow zones are also under attack, and Nod's been unable to mount a defense.
Which puts the burden squarely on GDI. I'm not going to mince words, Commander. The situation is extremely dire. But you're the best we've got. So I'm giving you the worst mission on the board. Germany. Kersey will show you what you're up against.
I still can't believe this is actually happening. All right, Commander. I don't know how much you've heard about New Eden. It was the first blue zone to be reclaimed from a yellow zone. Since then, it has become a secret research hub for GDI, particularly in Munich, where our future tech lab was compiling a full analysis of the invaders' operations. Unfortunately, Munich is already under assault and the FT lab's been destroyed. Several engineers were able to escape and are in a convoy heading for Salzburg, just outside the zone border as we speak. Commander, that convoy must reach Salzburg safely.
Civilian transports have passed the city wall and are outside Munich.
Ready to tear it up! Come on!
Incoming transmission. Escort the civilian unit under attack.
Oh my god! They're destroying everything! Hit it! Sir, they've blown the bridge. We'll need to take an alternate route. Come on, guys! The city is on fire! All of it! So many people! Oh. Come on, guys! Where they hide? Hit it! All right! Let's rock them!
Unit under attack.
Pick it up! We're on it! Oh no! Oh no! It's gone! All of it! It's gone! Come on, guys!
report.
We're ready. Come on!
We're getting pounded, sir. We can't take much more of this. Rending of the flesh, and they're just...
There!
We sustained too much damage, sir. We need to head to that forward battle base and repair, or we're not gonna make it to the subway. The walls! They're destroying the walls! People are being torn apart!
All right! Go, go!
We've taken some heavy damage, sir. Our engines are down. We'll get them back up as soon as we can. Till then, cover us. Damn it, the APC! We're leaking fluid from something. Assault Platoon Epsilon at your service, sir. We'll be covering your escape.
Promoted.
Let's go!
Work, damn you! People killed left and right! Come on, you hunk of junk!
Regoing this objective. Unit under attack.
Engines up and running, sir. Let's move! We thought we were alone in the universe. Oh, the hubris.
Everything's ready. Won't be long. How do you like it? Pick it up.
Building captured.
These things! The infernal buzzing!
Unit lost.
Who we get?
Yeah? Take that, you alien scum! Eat hot Prepared and ready to roll. Let's blow this pop stand.
Our
Over the
sonic
bridge.
emitters. They seem to
Almost
be
there.
weakening the invaders,
Almost
Commander.
there. Electrical systems failing. Taking too much damage. Emergency repairs enacted. Taking heavy cover us, sir. Get him off our back. Patching through. Hope this works.
Our base is under attack.
Come on, come on, come on!
We're on it. Pick it up.
Electrical systems patched and ready. Let's go.
Yeah! Come on!
Our base is under attack.
We're home free, sir. Evacuating GDI Council. Mayday!
Mission accomplished.
That was nice work, Commander. Looks like these things aren't invincible after all. Of course, I'd feel a lot better about our victory if I had any idea what their agenda was beyond just wreaking havoc. But one benefit of that uncertainty is it seems to have driven Director Boyle into hiding.
Our secured bunker in Reykjavik. That's where you're supposed to be too, General.
Not a chance in hell. We're going to use this time wisely, make some moves without being second-guessed. And you're the key here, Commander. I need you to turn the tide against these invaders. Build up some momentum, just like you did against Nod. Anyone else I'd worry about putting too much on their shoulders, but you seem to want that responsibility.
We don't have much time. The invaders have spread out from Munich into several other cities in the region. Kiersey will bring you up to speed.
Lieutenant Fullerton, sir. Managed to avoid the alien patrol so far. Looks like they don't know I'm here. Okay, I've got men pinned down all over the city. We need to get them back together if we stand a chance of reclaiming this place.
Incoming transmission. The aliens seem to be protecting this unidentified structure.
GDI platoon base
Destroy
at
it.
your service, sir. Sir, those damn aliens have us trapped. We're fighting this building, but the moment anyone fires, those things come in through the window and eat them. Can you give us a hand?
Hold your ground, soldiers!
New bonus objective.
Aliens! Jesus, look at those things!
New bonus objective.
You got it. Dismissed.
Unit lost.
He's going dirt tasting. Too easy. Hope the maids are cute. I'm there. Right.
Bonus objective
Already
complete.
there.
Enemy unit sighted.
That tripod left a husk. I think an engineer might be able to capture it.
I'm there. I know the routine.
Sir, these damn aliens have us trapped. Any movement will be toast. Can you help us out?
Bonus objective complete.
So,
Aliens down! Sniper team is on the move! Go, go, go! Thank you, sir. Now let's go round up the rest of the men.
Let's get there.
Unit promoted.
Got it. We're moving now. Any enemies around? On the move. Got it. We're moving now. Let's get there.
Enemy unit sighted.
what do you got for me? Right. Yep. Got it. Right.
Sir, we thought you were dead. Let's go take back what's left of this city. Aliens down! Everybody evacuate! Go, 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 go!
We'll start with them.
Bonus objective complete. Unit lost.
That was left-handed. I'll give him special treatment. All right, what do you got? I'm ready. I'm there.
Hold on!
Yeah, got it. You got it.
Two! Commander! These aliens have us trapped! Can you help us out? Aliens down! Everybody evacuate! Go, 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 go!
Thank you, sir. I thought we were goners.
Incoming transmission. Capture the eastern power plant to
Am I
reactivate.
covered? Got it.
Yo,
New bonus objective.
I can figure it out. I'll find a way inside.
New bonus objective.
so where are they? I'm there.
Objective complete.
Right. Go in there.
Rifle squad.
Building captured. Bonus objective complete. Repairing.
Yo,
Command post fully operational.
ready. Got it. Yep.
Engineer reporting in. Okay.
So where are they? You got it. I'll give them special treatment. I'll put them down.
Unit under
Go
attack.
in there.
Let's go to work. It won't be long.
Set them up and I'll knock them down. Right. Got it.
Enemy unit sighted.
I know the routine. I'm there. Already there.
Building captured. Bonus objective complete. Repairing.
All right, what do you got?
Armory fully operational. We can now heal infantry.
I know the routine. Yep, I know the routine. I'm there.
Enemy unit sighted.
Yep. Yeah. So where are they? Yeah, you got it. Right. Yep. I'm there. Yep. He's going dirt tasting. You got it. Sit down. Already there.
Under
This
attack.
shouldn't take long. Right. Going in.
Glad to see you, sir. Let's go hunt some aliens.
Unit sighted.
I'm ready. Got it. You
Unit
got it.
under attack.
Got it. Already there.
Unit
I'm
lost.
there. Go in there. Already there. Got it. You got it.
Enemy
Got it.
unit sighted.
Something bad happened here. I can smell it. Man, this city is wrecked.
Attack.
I know the routine. Right.
Locked, loaded, and ready to kick some ass, sir.
Right. Go in there. Keep the day job, buddy.
Unit founded.
I'm there. I know the routine. Let's check it out.
Enemy unit sighted. Unit under attack.
It's all ready. I'll find a way inside.
Enemy unit sighted.
I can figure it out. I got this one.
Yeah? I'm there. Go in there.
GDI Platoon Beta at your service, sir.
Enemy unit
Yep.
sighted.
Got it. Yep.
Building
Base fully
captured.
operational, sir.
Construction
I know the
options.
routine.
Objective complete. Building Northern Sonic Emitter Array up and running. Repairing. Repairing. Enemy unit sighted. Training. Repairing. Training.
I got their codes. Reporting in. I'll see you there. I got their codes.
APC ready for combat. Well, let's do this thing. How's the room service? APC ready for combat.
Enemy unit sighted.
Let's go to work.
APC ready
Okay.
for combat. APC ready for combat.
Ground support. Riflemen, move out. Move out.
APC ready for combat.
Unit promoted.
APC ready for combat.
Reporting in. I'll see you there. Just give me a sec to get in there.
Enemy unit sighted.
APC, what's the plan? Right away.
Training.
APC standing by.
Missile squad
Mark it there.
ready for combat.
Hang on.
Missile squad ready for combat.
Right away.
Missile squad ready for combat. Listen up, missile squad. Pay attention. Missile squad ready for
move out.
combat. Yes, sir. Move.
Enemy unit sighted. Training. Our base is under attack.
People ready for action.
Building.
Power restored to the Southern Sonic Emitter Array.
These things run through the aliens like a plasma knife through poly butter.
Bonus objective complete. Repairing.
People ready for action. People ready for
Unit
action.
promoted. Repairing. Our base is under attack. Repairing.
People ready for
Repairing.
action.
Enemy unit sighted.
Where's our next target? People ready for action. Heading to new position. On the move. People ready for action.
Ready when you are. In transit. Hang on.
Ready and willing, sir. Time to lock and load. We're burning up! Alien aircraft down! Commence aerial escape vector! Go, 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 go! Predator, thank you, sir. Now let's go kick some ass.
We hear
Bonus
you.
objective complete.
Move out, Armored Division. Predator rolling out.
Unit under attack. Unit lost.
Trooper squad. Let's move.
Enemy
Let's
unit
get over
sighted.
there.
Commander, in transit. Right away. Stand by for assault. Target there. Move in on them. Target confirmed. Take them out. Target confirmed. Give it to them. Take them out.
Unit under
Target
attack.
confirmed.
Unit promoted.
Fire!
What's the call? Enemy.
We have contact, sir. Stay on them.
Enemy unit sighted.
Stand by for assault.
Predator ready for battle. We have their position.
Let's
Unit
make this
under
quick.
attack.
Ready,
Unit
weapons.
lost.
Take them out.
Assault in progress.
Our base is under attack. Unit promoted.
Area confirmed.
Unit under attack.
Clear for engagement. We have their position.
Enemy unit sighted.
Take them out. Confirming target. Engaging enemy. Fire!
Unit under attack. Unit
Reload!
lost.
Reload!
Enemy unit sighted.
They're in our scope. Let's hit
Objective
them.
complete. Stuttgart is free of alien forces. Good job, Commander.